In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your logo video intros right inside 4Brand. Now we are at the logo video tab. Just like the others, you have a folder option here. Now, if you want to create your logo video, it's simple. You click on create new logo video. You add the name of your brand, which is Friction, which we are working on. Now here are various templates that you can choose from to create your logos. Okay, so let's quickly choose one of these. Let's select this. You can preview them by playing this button here. So let's make a preview of this. Okay, so let's choose this. Okay, so the first thing we need to add our logo design. So you can either upload, choose from the uploads here. Let's select this. Then you can customize, adjust the crop here and click on crop and select that, or you can create from scratch. One more thing, under upload, you can select from the previous logo designs that you've done. So here are the previous logo designs that we've created. So let's try to use this Friction here. Crop and select. You can also create your new logo from scratch if you don't already have one. But we have this, and then the next thing we need to do is we need to select our audio. Now you can upload your own audio file, which I've done here. I have one uploaded file here. Or you can choose from our library of audio files. So you can just keep scrolling to see the options here. So I'm going to select this, and once you're done, you click on render, and your video starts rendering. And once it's ready, you'll be able to access it from here and download your videos. And that's how simple it is to create your own logo video. So here are some of the samples of videos that I have done using 4Brand. Okay, so that's how to create your logo videos inside 4Brand. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@teaser.com, or you get to our support desk at help.teaser.com. Thank you.